Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup product data with commerce layer integrations, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup product data using commerce layer integrations, start by accessing your commerce layer dashboard. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to the integrations section in the sidebar. Choose the integration you want to use for the backup process. If you're using a third-party integration, ensure it is correctly configured. Open the settings for the selected integration. Locate the data export or backup option. Select the product data you wish to backup. You can choose to export all products or filter by specific categories or attributes. Once you've made your selection, click on the Export button. The system will initiate the backup process. Monitor the progress indicator to ensure the export completes successfully. After completion, you will receive a notification. Check the designated storage location for your exported files. If needed, rename the exported file for easier identification. Ensure that the backed up data is stored securely. Verify the integrity of the backup by opening the file. If you encounter any issues, refer to the support documentation of the integration. Always schedule regular backups to maintain updated records. Document your backup process for future reference. Implement a retention policy for old backups. Review and update your backup strategy regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.